Hello everyone, welcome back to our Raspberry Pi command series. In today's video, we are exploring essential storage management commands for your Raspberry Pi. By the end of this video, you'll know how to check, manage and optimize your Raspberry Pi storage like a pro. Let's dive in. First command, we're going to use df-h. This command displays the total use and free disk space on your Raspberry Pi in a human readable format. It's your go-to for monitoring disk usage. Next command, I'm going to type lsblk. Next, so this lsblk, which shows all block devices, their sizes and their mount points. This is helpful for understanding your partitions and storage layout. Section 3, the command 3 I'm going to type is dush home pi. Cannot access home pi search. Okay, so I'm going to use pi5 because I totally forget that my user is pi5, so home directory should be pi5. So change according to your name. Now use du-sh followed by directory path to see how much space specific folder is using. For example, checking my home's pi5 tells you how much storage your home folder occupies. Okay, next command is manage external storage. So normally we type sudo fdisk-l. So this command lists all connected storage devices and their partition, as you can see, right? I'm going to show you something, lsblk again. So you can see mount points, you can't see anything, right? Now when you do this sudo fdisk to see the manage external storage devices. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to sudo mount dev sda1-mnt. Now to access to external devices like a USB, use the mount command and specify the device name. Example, I use dev sda and mount point is mnt. Now if you type lsblk, you can see this, right? This now is mount my external device. This is a USB device. Now when you're done, you need to safely unmount the device with unmount to prevent data corruption. Remember that. So once you're done, whatever you do like sudo umount mnt to unmount. Now if you type lsblk, you can see it's gone. Now we're going to format. Now normally we type to format sudo mkfs.ext4 dev sda1. Now to format an external drive with the extension 4 file system, use this command, but be careful as it erases all the data on the drive. I'm not going to do this because my USB drive is I have so many files, so I'm not going to format, but this is the command to format the drive. Next command, we're going to check the swap space. So I'm going to type, I'm going to get a new one, swap on and -- show. Now swap space act as a virtual memory. Use swap on space -- show to see the active swap files. You can see in here. Now I'm going to show you another bonus command. We're going to type sudo dphys swap file setup sudo dphys swap file swap on. Now if you need more swap space, this command set it up to get this. Keeping that. Okay, next command I'm going to show you monitor storage in real time. We're going to type watch dash n 1 df space dash h. So want to monitor disk usage live like this, use the watch command with the df dash h to refresh every second. Okay, I'm going to exit, Control C to exit that part. Now to clean up unused files to get more storage, right? So we're going to type sudo apt-get auto remove. Now this is remove unnecessary packages and dependencies no longer in use, right? So the next command we can use sudo apt-get clean. So this cleanups cache packages files to free up some space. So that's it for today's video. These commands will help you master storage management on your Raspberry Pi. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to IT Samurai Teacher for more Raspberry Pi tips and tutorials. See you in my next video.